Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove facial verification on Binance. So if you want to remove facial verification on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance is opened. So if you have verified your account and you want to remove the facial verification, unfortunately you cannot do it. Binance does not let you to remove facial verification for security purpose. Facial verification is very important for the Binance to know that you are the real owner of your document. So Binance will need to verify your face. If Binance would not verify your face, then anyone could have access to your Binance account or your document that you have uploaded to Binance. So in order to protect your Binance account or your document, Binance won't allow to remove the facial verification. Binance uses your facial verification to check whether the document photos match with the photo that you have provided during the verification process. So with that on your mind, you will not be able to remove the facial verification on Binance. So that's it for this video. If you want to remove facial verification on Binance, unfortunately, you'll not be able to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.